flags fly. At each entrance and on the midway behind the bleachers. Last year's sold out, but this year, get this year's before they do.
Now, ladies and gentlemen, look to the right. I give you the world's biggest big lighter. Please welcome to the 2009 Marine Corps Air Station Miramar Air Show, Ken Shockley and Shockwave! J34 jet engines generating over 36,000 horsepower. Pounds of thrust, 18,000 pounds with full afterburner going. Take a look, ladies and gentlemen. This man creates his own weather with more smoke, more power, and more noise than anybody. From Galena, Kansas, let's listen to the sounds of Shockwave! Shockley, the son of legendary funny car designer and driver Les Shockley, has taken over the reins driving this Guinness Book of World Records record-holding truck. 3 jet engines, 376 miles per hour. No other. Watch him. He's going to release the brakes in just a second. Let's see if he's going to do it. Go for a high-speed run. See if he can get it up to over 350 miles an hour. He's on the roll. Already a 75, 100, 125, 150, 200, 225, 275. 352 miles per hour.
And 2 fractions would put about 11 G's of pull on his seatbelt.
Oh boy, I tell you what an amazing ride.